Right now, let's talk about how you can switch the location from iPhone to the iPad. So, as you know, you can share your location with other people, but if you have more devices, which devices does it go from? Right? So, what you can go ahead and do is essentially turn off the sharing on one of the devices. So, either grab your iPhone or iPad, depending on which one you want to turn off. But let's say it's going to be the iPhone. You can go there, click on the settings, and find the privacy and security. Then you can go to the location services and tap on share my location. So you can turn it off right here and you will just stop it from this device, right? It has some other implications, like if you cannot find your phone, then it will not be able to be shared anymore, right? So that's kind of a thing as well. But you can turn off sharing your location right here, and it will then only be shared from the other device, like your iPad, if you have that turned on right there. Keep in mind that I'm talking about the devices belonging to you, meaning that they are signed in with the very same Apple ID. In this case, you can, as I say, turn off the sharing of the location right here on the iPhone, but keep it turned on the iPad, and then you just basically are done. If it comes to some third-party services, for example, a good way would be to get WhatsApp, as it now has a dedicated app for the iPad. And there you can use the iPad to share the location with someone using the chat method, right? But then it doesn't really apply to the iPhone as it's been shared from the iPad. So that's another solution to switch the location sharing from iPad or from iPhone to the iPad. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any additional questions, go ahead and let me know below about that. I hope that we managed to make it work for you. Thanks a lot. Hit the thumbs up and make sure you stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll catch you later.